Hello, hi, how are you? Oh, I'm good. I look bomb as fuck. How are you?
I know you want it, put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love, it won't be easy.
Welcome to my channel. So color of the year meets Euphoria, and boom, this look was born. I'm giving complete Euphoria vibes. Euphoria season 2 is out. I have not seen an episode, but I will soon, eventually, hopefully. I don't know. Anyway, let's get into this tutorial. I love this primer so much. It is absolutely amazing. Just notice I'm patting it wherever I have large pores. I'm pressing it in so it can fill up those pores and my foundation can go on very smooth. We are gonna work on our brows, our eyes, and then the foundation. I like to give the primer time to sit. Since I'm gonna take my NYX Bear With Me setting spray. I'm gonna spray the spoolie end, dip it in my brow gel, and we are going to brush the brow hairs in place. This is my favorite brow look, like laminated brows. They're so fun, they're so fluffy. I feel like they also make you look younger. I'm just taking my NYX brow pencil and I'm going to draw a thin line under my brow. One of my goals this year was to, be a content creator. I love doing makeup. I feel like it's so therapeutic. And last year, the year before during the pandemic, everything was shut down. I actually got to work with Il Makiage, which is a really amazing makeup company. I'm just drawing brow hairs. And I would teach classes virtually. And it was so much fun connecting with people from different countries, different states, and being able to teach them and see the joy on their face as they got the technique down, or they're like, oh my gosh, it's so easy. After the program ended, I was like, I want to do this forever. So now I'm just gonna make sure it's nice and blended. Take our concealer, and this is the e.l.f. Camel Concealer and Medium Beige. I'm huge about skincare also, because I was able to transform my skin from to this. So you can see I do have a little bit of acne scarring left. Ooh, a pimple, we'll get rid of that tonight. But for the most part, I love being able to take care of my skin. So if you need any tips, tricks, want to see how I give myself an at-home facial, just let me know in the comments. And take the rest, and we're just gonna go over the eye, and I'm just going to blend this out. So really, why you want to apply a base to your eye is, number one, it'll neutralize your eye color. So if you have, hyperpigmentation or any type of discoloration on your eye, it'll conceal it. So that way the eyeshadow color can really pop. So yeah, so I definitely set my 2022 goals in motion, and I am excited to pursue them. And go ahead and comment below, what are your 2022 goals? And also that way I see if I can help too. Like if it's, okay, you want to master a soft glam, you want to master a cut crease. So now if you have tape, amazing, pull it out. We're going to use that because we do want a very sharp line. I use shadow shields, which I'm going to link down below. I get them from Amazon. It's like $5 for like 100 of them. Like I said, you don't have to use these if you have tape. Perfect. Always use what you have. Do not go out and buy anything extra. Use what you got. We are going to pack this on the outer corner. Start to bring it in. And if it ends up getting a little too dry, the concealer, just take your setting spray . Now we're just taking a clean brush and we are just blending this. This is the NYX Professional Eyeliner Purple. So not a cute name. I guess they ran out of cute names, but it's just purple. Setting spray, spray your brush. So we're gonna take a smaller angled brush for the inner corner. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight the inner corner now, and we're using the color Beam from Lime Crime Venus palette. I know my little things are stuck. So we're gonna apply some glue on the lash, and these lashes are from my collection. You can shop them at lovecitybeauty.com. Link will be posted in the description. They are bomb lashes. So many styles to choose from. We even got some with color. I'm not really caring too much about like what people say, and I know we all have that, but trust me, I always ask myself, what is the worst thing that can happen? Like the absolute worst. And this not only applies to like content creation, but this applies to anything. The best way to succeed at something is to honestly have a plan. So we shall see how this goes. And it's like, do I want to highlight up here? We're using the Dewy and Smooth number 310, and I use Dewy and Smooth because again I have dry skin. Oh, I feel like this is way too much. It was too much, guys. You don't use this much ever. This is horrible. Also, to avoid under your eyes, so the under eyes you want to work pretty quickly. We are using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and when it dries, it dries. Spray our concealer. Spray the setting spray. When it comes down to this point of your skin, guys, you want to go ahead and use a concealer that is maybe about 2 to 3 shades lighter than your foundation. And then for the inner, you want to go a little bit more dramatic, so you want to use one that's very light. Like the one I'm using, I think is like 10 shades lighter than my natural skin. It's super light. I'm gonna take this and just remainder. I'm gonna carve that out so that way we won't have that line. So now we're gonna take our Il Makiage transparent powder. It's gonna be a light layer. We're not gonna bake. If you have oily skin, feel free to bake. I don't have oily skin. Baking with dry skin is the kiss of death, at least for me. So now we're gonna contour. A little goes a long way. That is my belief when it comes to makeup. Little goes a long way. You don't need that much product if you have the right tools. So I'm going down and I'm pushing up. Going down, pushing up. going down, pushing up. Then I'm gonna flip my brush and I'm going to like round it out. This, I'm just pressing all in here to the sides. Cause like I've never seen that show Euphoria. Yeah, check it out. And I love Zendaya. She's so cute. Her and her boyfriend, oh my gosh, they are so adorable. Like, so now we're gonna go up with our brush. Contour this nose. And it's crazy because like I never was crazy into contouring, never. But when I started teaching the classes for Il Maquillage, and I would teach a lot of people from the UK, that's like the biggest thing they wanted to learn. How to contour my nose, how to contour this. I was like, oh, wow, let me jump on this train. Take my Fit Me pressed powder, and we are just going to press it into the skin. So we're gonna be mixing two blushes. It's gonna be the Fit Me, Maybelline Fit Me. Oh, Berry, this one. So we're gonna mix these two. It adds like honestly another dimension or depth. It adds something. So now we're gonna do my favorite trick. Take this pink. I'm gonna set under the eyes, and I actually learned that from TikTok. This girl put it and I tried it. It's like my favorite thing. BRB. Went ahead and added some bling. It is not Euphoria unless you got the rhinestones. We just need to set our skin with the setting spray.